to my channel Viceman, and today I will show you unboxing and review of this artificial grass mat. It is 80 by 200 mm size and I ordered from Amazon, and it comes for 40 dirhams. This is the packing. So on the back we are getting this kind of surface. So it doesn't have that anti-slip surface, it is only grass surface. And if I open this, so the quality of grass is okay. It is not so soft or not so hard. It is medium. Let's open this all the way. Like this. And so let's see if I take my hand like this. So the grass is not peeling out. So some of them is peeling out, but not that much. So the grass that is not tightly binded, that is peeling out otherwise. So from here also you can see, so this on this side it is peeling out because it is not binded over here, but it is binded on this side. So on this edge it is not binded correctly, but over here it is correctly binded, so it is not peeling out. So overall the quality is okay for the price, and it is of 40 mm. So let me measure it. Sorry, 40 mm 200. So the length is 20 centimeter. That's 2 meter, right? And it is 2 meter. So length is 2 meter and width is 80 centimeter. So it is 80 by 200 is correct. And the grass height, if it is like this, the height is going to be around 46 mm. So it's around 4.6 centimeter. So I hope this video will be helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel guys.